Class 9, graph of linear equation in two variables. On previous term, we have studied about how to plot the points, equations, and we have learned how to find the points lying on a given line. Now we are going to plot the same points on the graph paper. Suppose the equation given to you is x plus 2y is equal to 6. You have to plot this equation on the graph paper. So to do this, what you will do, x plus 2y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 6. So you will make a relation like this way, a box like this way, where you will indicate the variables x and y, and then you will take 3 points, the first one, second one and third one. So you just prepare a box like this way and write here x and y. Now what we will do, x plus 2y is equal to 6. So you can simply write x is equal to 6 minus 2y. So we are getting the value of x in terms of y. Now if you substitute the different values for y, say 1, 2 and 3. So x is equal to, you put y is equal to 1 here. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. That is going to give you 6 minus 2 is 4. So here if you take y is equal to 1, you get x is equal to 4. Now you take y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2. That is equal to 6 minus 4. And that gives you 2. Similarly, y is equal to 3. So you get x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3. That is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So here when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. And y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 0. Now we are going to plot these points, these values of x and y on a graph paper. So let's draw a graph here. This is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and here you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you can take the values of y also on y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the first point is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. That means this is the point. You will write here 4, comma 1. Second point is 2, comma 2. X is 2 and y is also 2. X is 2 and y is 2. So this is the point. X is 2 and y is 2. So 2, comma 2. Third point is x is 0 and y is 3. So here x is 0 and y is 3. That means this point 0, comma 3. Now you will be joining these points and extending the line further on both the sides. So this way you will get a straight line passing through all the 3 points. By this way, you will be able to plot the graph of the given equation x plus 2y is equal to 6 on the graph paper.